Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you the right way to do a tire change. So this is the perfect time because I just get a flat tire. So what you're going to do basically, of course, spare tire, jack. You will need jack stand. You will need one of these two, either the impact gun or the braking bar, a wheel shock, gloves, of course, safety glass. In my case I have glasses, so I don't need it. So you need cones, safeties first, and I'm gonna show you the right way to do it right now, which is first thing is make sure you put the parking brake on. So I'm going to put the parking brake on now. It's done. So then, for example, this is the tire, the flat tire. So you're gonna do like that, cross it. So you're not gonna put in the back right here, you're gonna put in the other side. Right here. Let's say this is the flat tire. In case this is the flat tire, you're gonna put the wheel shock on the other side. And you have the flat tire over there, you're gonna put it this side. So in this case, it's here, so you're gonna put over there. So make sure the area where you're gonna work is clean. Get the jack stand, and the jack. Find the jack point. You can touch the jack point. Slow. Pull it up a little bit, just good enough to make sure it's in the jack point. So now, bumper up. So you have the parking brake on and you have the wheel shock. The vehicle is not gonna move anywhere. So now since you have that, be sure you have knee pads, because you can damage your knee very bad, trust me, very bad. A rock or something. So now take the jack stand, put it in. Make sure to put it in a safe spot. Don't put in any part that you can break in case the car fell. The chassis of the vehicle is what I recommend. So you get the jack stand, and then you drop a little bit, just enough. Make sure the jack stand is supporting. Then you tie this again, just in case. You have two options now holding the vehicle. Then you can use braking bar or the gun. In this case, I'm going to use the gun. Some vehicles, they have this, which is a wheel lock. In this case, this vehicle uses a wheel lock. So if you don't know where is the wheel lock located, normally, mostly of the vehicles, they have in the glove compartment. Sometimes it's in the center console, but in this case it was in the glove compartment. So you provide this to the technician, or you're gonna do it, just make sure look over there. Sometimes it's in the back as well, where they have the spare tire, they put it over there sometimes. So this case was in the glove compartment. So like I say, safety first, knee pads, both of them, get a good position. Make sure your tool is loosened. One, two. Make sure to put all the screws at the same spot. sometimes this tire is stuck because you started for so long. What you gotta do, go this way, make sure your muzzle is nice and soft. Don't force too much because you can hurt yourself. Then kick right there by the edge of the tire, like that. My tire is done. This is the spare tire. Sure. See the center part? Center part gotta be right in the middle. So you pump a little bit more. Good enough. You put your foot in the bottom and your hand on top. Push it in. Now you just set the gun, the tires, and you start. You start from like crossing. Now the bottom. Now on the other side. Now on the other side. Just good enough. No tight it all way. So now we're gonna tie it all way. Pretty much, this is very important, so never lose. Wherever you get it from, put it back. You're gonna need it one day, trust me. Now put this way up, way up, so you can take this out, then you can let it go slow. Don't never disconnect. Yeah, slow. Like that. Put this back layer, like I say. So, thank you for watching. That's it. So you remove everything else like cones, the wheel chuck, and everything. You're done. That's pretty much it. Have a wonderful day.